Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sasha Kuznetsova, and today I wanted to share with you how YouTubers make money on YouTube. So if you've been watching my channel, you probably already know that I haven't been making YouTube videos for very long, so I'm not monetized and I'm not making any money on it yet, but I did an extensive research on the subject, and here is what I found out. The first way to make money on YouTube is with ads. Once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start monetizing on your channel, which means that advertisers will start placing ads in your videos and you will be able to get paid for those. So you want to make your videos as long as possible because obviously it increases your chances of making more money. But the tricky part here is to make them interesting enough so that your viewers want to watch the entire video with all the ads. So YouTubers recommend making videos about 8 to 15 minutes long because it's long enough so you can include more than just one ad, but at the same time it's short enough and it keeps your viewers engaged and interested and they watch the entire video. And also YouTubers recommend making shorter videos but more frequently, which kind of makes sense because me personally, I would rather watch 4 10-minute videos through my entire week when I have time versus just one 40-minute video in one day, because let's face it, we're all busy and we don't always have 40 minutes to spend on a YouTube video. And the second way to make money on YouTube is with affiliate marketing. And the way it works is that you sign up with affiliate marketing programs and you start creating special links to the products that you like and would like to promote. And you can either talk about those products in your videos, or you don't even have to do that. You can just include the links to the gear, to the filming gear that you use in the description bar under the video. Either way, if somebody clicks on those links and they buy something, you make a small commission. And I know what you're thinking, that the commission rates are so low that you will never be able to make any money. But the commission rates are variable depending on what you're promoting, and it adds up. And as a new YouTuber, this is going to be your only option to make money before you have 1,000 subscribers and can start monetizing on your channel. The third way to make money on YouTube is by getting a brand deal. Once you've grown your YouTube channel and you have quite a few subscribers, you can start contacting different companies, or they may even contact you first about promoting their product in your video. Then you will negotiate a fee that they will pay you, and sometimes they will even send you a free product. Sounds like a great deal, doesn't it? I will keep you posted on my very first brand deal whenever it happens. And finally, the fourth way to make money on YouTube is by selling your own products and your own merchandise. And it can be a physical product like a book or supplements, or it can be a digital product like an ebook or a course or a membership. So let's say you have specialized knowledge in how to make money with real estate or with stocks, or how to make money on YouTube. So then you create a course on that subject and you start promoting it in your YouTube videos. So technically, you're not making money on YouTube, you're just using YouTube as a marketing tool. And then you can sell your own merchandise with your logo on it. I've seen a lot of YouTubers selling cups and hoodies and t-shirts, but the more creative you can get with the merchandise, the better you will do. One thing that most YouTubers agree on is that you should always diversify and use all 4 ways to make money on YouTube. This way, in case something like coronavirus happens again and advertisers get scared and pull their money out and stop spending money on advertisements, and you lose your ad revenue, at least you can still make money with affiliate programs or with your products or with your merchandise. So always diversify if you can. Well guys, that is all for today. I thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Otherwise, stay well and I will see you next time.